Now it's, I think, 82% of the entire wealth in the world is in the hands of just 1% of people.
Wow.
So that's just increasing. And the bad effects of that is that people are not getting healthcare because it's not flowing into the tax system, or we are seeing that people are not getting healthcare or education. And that gap is increasing. But how do you tell the story?
Right.
And why is it that we humans are not able to share?
Yeah.
So that's the real story. So,
right.
Yeah.
And so because this is a pretty serious topic, and you could create very serious, heavy videos on this, but you've come up with something that's a little bit more light, something that we can all relate to.
Yes, what we find is that the videos and in any way, communication and marketing works best if it speaks about the human truths.
Right.
And this works for every audience and for every market when it speaks about human values and human truth. So in this case, we thought, what would children do? Not aware of how these systems work in the societies around the world and how economies work.
Kids are pure. They don't have any filters.
That at least
we
hope.
hope.
Yes, we hope, because we basically, in many countries that we work, we basically asked 3 children to join us and sit behind a table. We gave them, each one of them, we gave them a plate. One had 1 cookie, the other one had 2 cookies, and maybe the other one nothing at all. So then the question was, what would they do?
Right.
Would they want to be sharing? And well, as we hoped, they did share. And they immediately start thinking, okay, this is not fair.
And all the kids did this.
All the kids.
Right.
So
Through
we filmed
all
in
these
Vietnam, we filmed in some parts of Africa, in the UK, unfortunately not in the Netherlands.
What?
I don't know why.
How did that happen?
We should still do that.
We should.
Yes. And see what happens. Maybe it will go wrong.
Yes.
But maybe we didn't want to do that. But no, seriously, I think what we have learned is, kids do this. Automatically they share. And so they were breaking the biscuits or they were sharing them.
I just saw the video. It is so adorable. And I think what's so powerful is that you see that as humans, when we are born, we share. And that's just who we are. And so the big question is, when did that stop? Or how, when you're older, when does that stop?
I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, so of course, the call to action is, if they can share, why couldn't we?
Right.
Yeah. So now it's up to us, right? So now it's up to us to go and share and take care of a more human economy where everyone has, their own rights and their own share of the wealth that we have in the world.
Right. More equality between.
More equality. That will help. That will overcome poverty. That will overcome human suffering. Everyone should have the rights to basic, needs like healthcare and education.
Right.
So, and that's about the same as like sharing cookies.
Yes, that's exactly right. Well, I really, really appreciate you talking to me for a couple of minutes. And it was so nice to have you in my training today.
Yeah, well, thank you.
It's great to learn from you and to see your mission. And I wish you all the best with continuing.
Great.